our channel. I'm your Durga and today we are gonna see how to make apple dates milkshake. So don't eat it raw, eat as a juice. Okay, come, let's see how to do it.
So I have took apple. That's not 3. That's 1. And now come on, let's peel it off. And don't waste your time. When you peeled it off, as apple has antioxidant in it, you have to make your as fast as you can. You can make your process. So now let's cut it. So today I am using 1 apple for 2 glasses of milkshake. Look at that. And now we are ready with the cutted apples. So now let's cut it into smaller. And then and children who will not eat dates or apple will also start eating by juice, and if they like the taste they will also eat it separately. See, we have cutted everything. Now for apple dates milkshake I have took dates, apples and sugar and then milk. And now let's add apple in it in a maxi, and then the dates in it. Whoa. And then some sugar in it. And then now we add the milk in it. Oh yeah. And mix it well and meet you soon. Oh my god, it's done. And let's transfer it to a glass. Oh my god. Okay, I told these things in a music, and just apple milkshake is a great recipe, and please try this. And now for more beautiful looking, we are adding ice cream scoop. That's chocolate ice cream, so yummy. And then we add the next scoop. Oh my goodness, what a decoration. And to decorate it even more, we are adding dates on sides. Oh my goodness.
So finally our tasty and yummy apple dates milkshake is ready to serve, and let's taste it. Cheers. That's so cool. It's amazing. Do you know? Just quickly go and try this recipe. That's so cool. Yeah. Okay.
If you like it, like and share this video and try it home and post your valuable feedbacks to me. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon nearby. Meet you in the next episode. Bye.